Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Chashu rice bowl. For a list of all ingredients and measurements, click description below. To start, thinly slice a green onion. Soak green onion into cold water. For my recipe on how to make pork chashu, I posted a link in the description below. Thinly slice your pork chashu. Start reheating your chashu by searing in a pan at medium heat. Or you can also use a torch to add smoky char flavor. I use rendered pork fat from the chashu, or you can also use any neutral oil. Add cooked brown rice or white rice. Mix until all the rendered pork fat is absorbed into the rice. Add chashu sauce and mix. Try to make sure the rice is completely covered in the chashu sauce. You can also use soy sauce. You can cook the rice for about 3 to 5 minutes. Begin plating. Add the rice first, then add the chashu on top of the rice. Sprinkle roasted seaweed. Drain green onion and add it on top. Finish it with roasted sesame seeds. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.